Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, I would like to show to you how to create a mind map on Canva application in a shortcut way. So you don't have to think about the design of it or anything. You just need to uh, get the template, and then you can recreate it by changing the words on the template, kind of like that. So the way to do that, first you need to open your Canva like this, and then the next part you can just click this plus button for creating a new project, and then type in the search bar the keyword is mind map, or maybe you can follow my methods that I use right now. It was by swiping up this screen, kind of like this, until you found the mind maps section. This one. So there will be a two template. The first one is brainstorms, and the second one is mind map. You can just use any style that you want, but for me I would like to go to this mind maps templates, and then just click see all and pick any of design that you want to recreate. So like for example, I'm going to use maybe this one, and just click it, and it will be open up on a project, and you can redesign it and changing any words on this template and make it to be a brand new mind map your creation. And that's the way how to do that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.